The Russian Ministry of Defense has confirmed that the Russian Navy's Black Sea flagship RTS Moskva 121 has sunk. As reported by TASS, the military department said, during the towing of the Moskva cruiser to the port of destination, the ship lost its stability due to damage to the hull received during the fire from the detonation of ammunition. In the conditions of stormy seas, the ship sank. They added that the crew of the cruiser was evacuated to the ships of the Black Sea Fleet in the area. Earlier, the ministry stated that the missile systems of the cruiser were undamaged, the fire was contained by sailors, and that efforts were underway to tow the ship to port. This marks the biggest loss of a single asset for Russia since the start of the campaign against Ukraine. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes why the sinking of the Moskva cruiser is a major loss for Russia. Let's get started. This video is sponsored by NordVPN. NordVPN is a premium VPN service available for macOS, iOS, Windows, and Android with more than 5,400 servers in 60 countries. But why use a VPN or virtual private network? VPN is an encrypted tunnel. A VPN can protect your privacy, which is threatened by many factors like data logging by internet service providers. It can also help you access contents which are blocked based on geolocation. Why NordVPN? Its servers are fast and has zero log policy. Not only this, NordVPN has taken one step further and recently introduced a new feature, threat protection. Threat protection prevents malware from getting on users' devices and blocks trackers, intrusive and malicious ads, and harmful websites. Use the link in the description to get up to 71% off the 2-year plan plus threat protection for no extra cost. At the checkout, use the code DEFENSE to get an extra month for free. Moskva was a guided missile cruiser of the Russian Navy. She was the lead ship of the Project 1164 Atlant class and was named after the city of Moscow. She was leading the Russian naval assault on Ukraine. With a crew of 510, she was a major symbolic and military asset for Russia. The ship had a displacement of 12,490 tons. To give viewers a perspective, the American Arleigh Burke-class destroyers have a displacement of around 8,500 tons to 9,500 tons, depending on the variant, and the Ticonderoga-class cruisers have a displacement of 9,800 tons when fully loaded. Moskva had a top speed of 59 kilometers per hour or 37 miles per hour and a range of 19,000 kilometers or 12,000 miles. It's equipped with a host of sensors like long-range search radars and sonar. It's armed with several types of weapons. For anti-ship roll, it has 16 P-500 Basalt or P-1000 Vulcan anti-ship missiles. It had 3-layer protection system consisting of 8x8 or 64 S-300F missiles for long-range air defense, 2x20 or 40 OSA-MA for short-range air defense, and 6 AK-630 close-in weapon systems. Other weapons include 1 twin AK-130, 130mm L-70 dual-purpose gun, 2 RBU-6000 anti-submarine mortars, and 10 twin 533mm torpedo tubes. In February 2022, the cruiser left Sevastopol to participate in the Russian invasion of Ukraine. The ship was later used against the Ukrainian armed forces during the attack on Snake Island and was the same one that was told to go F yourself by the Ukrainian defenders manning the island. On the 13th of April 2022, Ukrainian presidential advisor Alexei Arestovich and Odessa governor Maxim Marchenko said that Moskva had been hit by 2 Neptune anti-ship missiles and was on fire in rough seas. The missiles were apparently launched in or near Odessa at Moskva, located 60 to 65 nautical miles or 110 kilometers offshore. Ukrainian sources reported that the attack was supported by a Bayraktar TB2 combat drone, which distracted the Russian ship's defenses. Odessa Governor Maxim Marchenko said in a telegram message on Tuesday, "It has been confirmed that the missile cruiser Moskva today went exactly where it was sent by our border guards on Snake Island. Neptune missiles guarding the Black Sea caused very serious damage to the Russian ship." The Russian Ministry of Defense said that a fire had caused munitions to explode without any reference to a Ukrainian strike. Neptune is a Ukrainian anti-ship cruise missile developed by Luke Design Bureau. The design is based on the Soviet Kh-35 anti-ship missile, with substantially improved range and electronics. The system is designed to defeat surface warships and transport vessels, either in convoys or moving individually. The system entered service with the Ukrainian Navy in March 2021. When deployed, a Neptune coastal defense system comprises a USPU 360 truck-based mobile launcher, 4 missiles, a TZM 360 transporter reload vehicle, an RCP 360 command and control vehicle, and a special cargo vehicle. The system is designed to operate up to 25 kilometers or 16 miles inland of the coastline. A Neptune missile includes a rocket motor that is 5.05 meters, that's 16 foot 7 inches in length, with a cross-shaped hardwing. The system has a maximum range of about 300 kilometers or 190 miles. A single missile weighs 870 kilograms, 1,920 pounds, of which 150 kilograms or 330 pounds is the warhead. Moskva is the largest warship to be sunk since World War II due to enemy action, if Ukrainian claims are accurate. The cruiser ARA General Belgrano, sunk by the Royal Navy during the Falklands War, was of similar size as the Moskva. While this might be another case where Ukraine is over-reporting and Russia is downplaying reports, it's clear the ship is out of action permanently. If it was indeed struck by the Neptune anti-ship cruise missile, as claimed by Ukraine, it will be a major blow to the Russian Navy's supposed capabilities, given that the warship had a 3-layer air defense system. If the damage was indeed from an internal fire, as stated by Russia, then it also casts a poor light on the Russian Navy's safety standards and operating protocols. This has been aptly put in perspective by U.S. National Security Advisor Jake Sullivan. He said that the way the Moskva saga has unfolded is a big blow to Russia, forcing Moscow to choose between 2 stories. One story is that it was just incompetence, and the other is that they came under attack, and neither is a particularly good outcome. The important part to note here is that, unlike aircraft, tanks, etc., warships can't be replaced easily.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.